What we already know is the difference between and an, when to use the first one and when to use the second one. You're careful about the word if it starts with a vowel or with a consonant, and of course if it is a countable noun. But this is just the very beginning of the story. Now let's look at the difference between and an and the, and we'll talk after that again. Okay, so let's get started with some examples. I want an apple. I want the apple. So in the first situation, we have a lot of apples. There are a lot of apples there. We want just one. In the second situation, there is only one apple. We want this apple. Or, can I open a window? There are a lot of windows. I just need to open one. Doesn't matter which one. Can I open the window? There is only one window. I need it opened. I need to open this window. I have a question. It's not specified. I just have one question. Can you repeat the question? Can you repeat the question that you've already said? So you say something, then you need to repeat this question, the same question. So the first rule. You use a or an when you speak about one thing of many things. For example, I want an apple. I want one of the apples. It doesn't matter which one. At the same time, the is used when you speak about the only thing. I want the apple. I want this apple over there. After that, I bought a t-shirt. The t-shirt is lovely. Or, can I open a window? Please close the window. So here, I bought a t-shirt. You say it for the first time. You just bought one t-shirt. The t-shirt, this is the t-shirt that you bought, is a lovely. Your t-shirt. You know which t-shirt you are talking about. Can I open a window? One of the windows. It doesn't matter which one. Please close the window. The window that you have opened. We live in a house. The house is great. We live in one house. It doesn't matter which one. The house, our house, that you know about, that I told you about. This house is great. We live in a house. You say it for the first time. The house is great. Our house. This house is great. The same. I have a new bike. I say it for the first time. I like the bike. I like the bike that I have. I like my bike. So I speak exactly about this bike that I bought. A or an is used when you mention something for the first time. The is used when you mention something more than once. I live in a house. You mention it, you say it for the first time. I live in a house. I live in a flat. For the first time. After that, the house where I live is wonderful. The house. The house that I have already mentioned. Good. Go to the red car. Some more examples. Go to the red car. Give me the blue pencil, please. So what we have here, there are a lot of cars. Green car, red car, blue car. But there is only one red car. So go to the red car. Exactly this one. Not go to a car. If I tell you go to a car, it means go to whichever car you want. Choose a car and go to it. Go to the red car means go to the car that I'm telling you. This is the car. Go to it. The same. Give me the blue pencil, please. The blue pencil. There is only one blue pencil, right? So give me that. I don't care about the others. Give me that one. Show me the tree with the green leaves. Only one tree is with green leaves. Show me the tree with the green leaves. Or, do you see the hen? There are 3 chickens and 1 hen. So, do you see the hen? This hen? Which means that when we speak about something which is one of its kind, which is unique, then we use the again. The example that you need to remember, go to the red car, not go to a car, whichever you want. Go to the red car. This is, I know where you're going to. Enough theory. So let's do the exercises. They are for you, of course. First, we are checking just the PDF. And the exercises are 2. The first one, you need to fill in with a, an, or the. It's my advice to write all of the rules that are in the lessons in a notebook or in a notepad or wherever you prefer, but just have them on one place, because if you only watch, it doesn't matter how good your visual memory is, you will not be able to memorize everything. Learning a language, the grammar of a language, is a little bit more specific. So you need to be engaged, you need to be part of the whole process. Which means, please write down all of the rules which are in the lectures. Good. When you have the rules, you can check which rule is applied in which sentence, which rule we use in each sentence. A, an, or the. And the second exercise, you need to correct the sentences. Something else that I told you at the very beginning. It is not a problem if you don't understand everything. What you need to be careful about is to understand the most important, to understand the basic, okay? And I'm sure that you can do it. Good luck, and see you in the answer section.